Ingeotech Health, implementing remote patient monitoring into your practice, how to do it, and how we can help. So you may ask, how does this system work? Each device has a SIM card built in. So therefore, all of the data that's collected every time someone uses one of the devices, it automatically sends that information to both the patient app and the provider dashboard in real time. So you will see and know exactly what's happening with your patients anytime that you're logged into the Ingeotech dashboard. The patient app is also HIPAA compliant and has two-factor authentication. The provider dashboard is where all the magic happens. You'll be able to see all of your patients in one place. You can also have unlimited users within your practice to have access to your dashboard. All your data will populate in less than a minute after the individual uses any of their devices, the same as with the patient app. You will also receive notification of any patient results that are outside of the parameters when you log into your dashboard, allowing you to not have to go in and look at each patient. You'll automatically know if something is wrong. There's also a help center in the provider dashboard that has training videos that you can share with your team. The help center also has information on how to complete your clinical monitoring. Lastly, Ingeotech has all the APIs available to integrate into your electronic health record. There are two models that are used by providers when implementing Ingeotech into their practice. There's the client purchased model or the provider purchased model. When a client purchases their devices, they go online to the ingeotechhealth.com website. They can simply purchase their devices themselves, and they also will pay for the monthly app access based on the number of devices that they purchase. The provider would simply pay for your onboarding fees and getting your system set up, and then the monthly fees for having access to the provider dashboard. When choosing a provider purchase fee structure, the client pays no fees for their Ingeotech system. The provider would purchase all the devices. They would also, again, handle their onboarding fees and pay the monthly fee for both the client app and the dashboard. There are many providers who have a concierge service who choose to purchase everything and bill their clients as a part of their concierge fees. Implementing remote patient monitoring into your practice allows you to provide better feedback during telehealth visits and also have better outcomes for your patients. You can provide clinical feedback more frequently rather than waiting 3 and 6 months before you see your patient the next time. And you can also have information to help make medication changes when needed in a more timely manner. Patients no longer have to also keep a log or rely on their memory of what their vitals have been when they come in to see you. You will have all of that information right there at your fingertips in your Ingeotech health system. When you start thinking about how to market Ingeotech, you want to make sure that people understand all the benefits that you'll be able to provide them as their clinician. When you think about the sales funnel and how you engage your individuals that you work with, there's the public relations, which means that you're getting yourself seen and people learning about who you are and the services you provide. There's also the marketing, which gets you leads, people interested in coming to your practice. And then finally, there's sales, which gets you paid. And at the end of the day, whether you're into this for the money or into this for helping people, you still have to get paid. Ingeotech is a huge piece of how you can market your organization to set yourself apart so that you can bring more people in and help more people at the end of the day. When talking to your patients about Ingeotech, you always want to focus on the value rather than the cost. Focus on the value of the services that you'll be able to provide, how you'll be able to make those changes in their medication more readily with real-time information. Focusing there will alleviate the concerns about cost, especially if you're using a client purchased model for implementing your Ngeotech system. There are quite a few remote patient monitoring options on the market. However, what makes Ngeotech different? At Ngeotech, we ensure that we provide the most secure system for your individuals that you serve and for your practice. We are an innovative team and we are constantly growing and adding more devices to our system. And most importantly, Ngeotech is backed by CMAG Health Solutions, our parent company, which is a licensed healthcare organization that provides services and uses this same technology to support the individuals that we serve. To learn more about Ngeotech Health, schedule a demo with our team, and we will sit down and answer any other questions that you may have. Feel free to email us at info@ngeotech.com or call us at 833-MY-NGEA or 833-694-6442. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day.